this knowledge cannot be measured by Indian rupees or US dollars or any money, even gold coins. Because knowledge cannot be measured. Because even today, a single idea, it can create wealth tomorrow, crores and crores of rupees. So, as in management, we want to develop not only basic results or employment to the students, we are expecting overall growth for the students. So, faculty, college, as well as students should grow together. So, for that, we have to think what is going around throughout the world. Actually, this idea started in 2010 when Dr. Abdul Kalam was telling that we have to be number one in space technology throughout the world. India was leading the world, or at least at par with every technology 1,000 years ago, till 1,000 years ago. Only in the last maybe 4 or 5 centuries we have gone back. Most of the reasons we are all knowing it. But today it is time to regain that. Whatever that our fame and name we have lost, this is time to regain that. For this, we took the satellite technology, satellite mission or space technology is going to rule the world in the near future.
I'd like to start off with the paradigm. Decades ago, wealth was power, right? We've shifted paradigms and then it became knowledge was all powerful. But in today's life, I would say information is infinitely powerful. And for this to be possible, what we have at the tip of our fingers is internet. Can you imagine the globe being filled with opportunities where one can explore and access internet to build, regardless of the limitations of where you come from, geological constraints, you will still be able to access the internet. You will be able to access information. Now that is being powerful. With this idea of being able to give from what we got, stemmed the idea of building a satellite. Although this might be a decade-long mission for my college, Sri Shakti Institute of Engineering and Technology, we started off with miniaturization once we had a setback with our huge project that happened before. So thanks to the college that provided us opportunities to meet the expertise of those that dwelled in ISRO.
Actually, how it's going to be warped?
Right. You might see this is merely 460 grams. 460 grams of compactness, but is capable of communicating with multiple satellites, capable of providing the global internet. It might even be able to tell you if there's a forest fire somewhere. It might even be able to tell you a lot more about global warming if you wanted it to be. This is a technological demonstration that we want to address. This is something we built so that the generations to come, the student community, can build more of these and also achieve our mission 2022, which is launching 75 student satellites to mark 75 years of Indian independence. This has also been our mission. So marching towards the same, this is a technological demonstration which can communicate between satellites and also through SatNox. This is a global connect where at any point in time through our global connect we will be able to fetch information that might be sent forward from this. Right now, let us say if this is jettisoning at 7.3 kilometer per second speed around the Earth, and say about, it might merely a couple of times or more traverse past our ground stations, but through the SatNox, if I send some information from here, I will be able to receive it at any other point on planet Earth. Now that is saying something. That is information being passed on. So that is possible through this 460 grams, merely 460 grams of satellite.